everyone, welcome to part 45th of Laravel 9 tutorial in which we are creating the multi-vendor e-commerce website. So we are going to start working on the attributes module, and in this video we are going to create the attributes table and we'll insert some of the dummy attributes. But before that we are going to understand what actually attributes are, because this is really important to understand what we are going to do. Okay, so see, we have done up till now, we have done the sections, we have done the categories, we have done the products, and now we are going to do the attributes. So once again I will open the design of the multi-vendor e-commerce website, and I want to tell you that only few videos are left for the admin panel. After attributes we will do the images for the products, alternate images for the products, and after that we will start working on the front end. Now see, only a few videos, only 5-6 videos are left. Up till 50 videos we will finish this admin panel, and we are going to check from the vendor perspective, we are going to log in as a vendor and will add products as a vendor. Like right now we have added products as a admin, but we will also add products as a vendor after completing 50 videos of admin panel. Okay, and after that we are going to start working on the front end. I'm going to give you this design free of cost, so that is not an issue, and you can start working on the multi-vendor e-commerce website side by side with me. So once again I want to show you that we have done these sections. These are the section: clothing, electronics, appliances, and under that I have created the categories. This also we have done. Then the subcategories, under those subcategories products also we have done, and those products will have the attributes. Okay, so I am going to explain you briefly once again that what's actually the structure of the e-commerce website and what we have done and what we are going to do. Okay, because it is really important to understand the e-commerce structure, multi-vendor e-commerce structure, how the things move in the e-commerce. Okay, how the things like the blueprint of the e-commerce, overview of the e-commerce. Okay, so that it will be clear to you that why we are going to manage the attributes. Okay, so see, first thing that we have done, I'm going to show you here. Okay, so see here, we have few of these sections. We have added few of these sections. You can see the clothing, electronics, appliances. So first thing here is that I'm going to add it like the clothing, electronics, and appliances. Okay, electronics and appliances. Okay, so these are the sections. Okay, and see, these sections further will have the categories. Okay, that we have also added, it is having the men, women, and kids. Okay, so like electronics will also have further like the mobiles. Okay, we have added the mobiles as well. Computers also we can add, and in the same way appliances also having like something air conditioners. Okay, or okay, like this. Okay, so so these are our categories, and under those categories we have added these subcategories as well, subcategories like the shirts and t-shirts. Okay, so under those t-shirts we have added the products. Okay, so this one also we have done. Okay, see, we have also done this one, so I will do something like this one. Okay, so we have added here like products like blue casual t-shirt, blue t-shirt, or like blue t-shirt and red t-shirt. This thing also we have done, and after that we are going to start working on the attributes. Now see, these will have the attributes further. Like if you will go for some if you go to some shop or some departmental store, then you will ask there and go like you want some specific t-shirt. Okay, you want t-shirt, then that person is going to ask you that which brand of t-shirt you want, and which size of t-shirt you want. Okay, so according to this size, these t-shirts, like the t-shirts are managed in separate sections, like the 32 size of t-shirt, like the small size of t-shirts at one place, medium at one place, large at one place. And maybe that person will ask you that you can see yourself, like you have the medium size of t-shirt, and the complete section, complete block of t-shirts contain the medium size. So same thing we are going to apply in the e-commerce website, in the multi-vendor e-commerce website. Okay, so same thing will follow, like the blue t-shirt may have like size, like see, it is having the SKU. So now that is the stock keeping unit. So I want to tell you that blue t-shirt will have the multiple t-shirts further, and that will have the product code, or we also call it SKU, stock keeping unit. Okay, so I will tell you about it in few minutes. So first of all, I will write something like it will have further head like BCT01S. So it is in BCT01M and BCT01L. Okay, so such kind of SKUs are there. And see, these SKU further will have the size. This one means that it is the small size, and it is the medium size, and it is the large size. Okay, and see, this small size may price in dollar like $10, $11 of medium, and large dollar, and in Indian rupees it will maybe having 1000 rupees, then 1100 for medium and 1200 for large. And stock like 10 stock available, 15 stock available, 20 stock available. These are the attributes that we are going to manage. So what is this? See, I am going to pick something else, like these are the sections. Okay, these are all sections, these are all categories, these are all subcategories. Okay, so these are all products, and these are all attributes. Okay, so these are the attributes. So what is this? This is the SKU and this is the size, and this is the price, and this is the stock. Okay, so you can see that this blue t-shirt will further have three attributes, that is the small, medium and large, and all the three attributes will have the different SKU. SKU means the product code, that is the stock keeping unit. See, stock keeping unit, it means that every size will have the separate stock, separate price and separate SKU. Okay, so see, the shopkeeper will have the three t-shirts. Okay, at his block, three t-shirts means this like this small size, medium size, large size. So it depends upon the customer that which t-shirt he wants. So this is the kind of the structure. So after that, like only the part that is left, that this one will have the images. Images we are going to manage, like this one will have the alternate images, that is the separate case. Like this product will have the alternate images, these products. Okay, the last thing that we are going to do, but main thing is to manage these attributes. So we are going to add these attributes from the admin panel. Like for the blue t-shirt, we are going to add these attributes, we are going to remove these attributes, we can able to update these attributes. Okay, so that thing we are going to do now. Okay, so in next few videos we are going to manage the attributes, and after that finally we will manage the images of the products. Okay, so in this video we are going to create the table of the attributes with migration, and we'll create some dummy attributes in that. So we are going to run the command to create the table. So here I'm going to sign in into the admin panel, and I will show you once that here we are going to have that after products we will add here the attributes module. Okay, so now I am going to create the table, and for that see, I will keep, like I have told you, we are going to keep this SKU, size, price, stock and status as well in the products attributes table. We will name the table name as products underscore attributes. Okay, so now we are going to see, right click on our project and new terminal add folder, and we will run the command here. We will run the command to create the migration file, php artisan make migration, and the file name will be create products attributes table. Okay, so we will open this file now, create products attributes table in your project folder. You can create this file. Okay, so here we are going to add all the columns that we want to add in our products attributes table. Table interior, product ID, okay. After product ID we are going to add here size or we can also add okay, so okay, no size we can add. After size we can add here price we will add in float. So after price we will add the stock we will add in integer. And after stock we will add the SKU we will add string for the SKU. And finally we will add the that status is required. Sometimes you want to disable that attribute, you don't want to show that attribute to the customer, so that's why we will add the status can be 0 or 1. 0 means disable, 1 means enabled. Okay, active or inactive we can say. So product ID, size, price, stock, SKU, status. So now we will run that php artisan migrate command. Okay, so our table has been created. We are going to check whether our table has been created here or not. Products underscore attributes table, and it has been created. So please note that this table does not have any admin ID, does not have any vendor ID, because all is associated with the product ID, because we have that in the products table. So the relation we are going to create further on, so that relation will have automatically we will come to know that which attribute belongs to which vendor or which admin. Okay, so now we have the table ready. Now we will add a few attributes. Okay, we are going to add the few attributes of blue casual t-shirt, and here we are going to check the products. So we will add here for red casual t-shirt, in fact. Okay, because we have already added the red casual t-shirt, so we will add the attributes for the red casual t-shirt. Okay, so few of the attributes we are going to add, dummy attributes, so that we can show in the page as well while creating the add attributes page. Okay, that is our next step. Okay, so for that we are going to create the seeder file. So we are going to create here php artisan make seeder products attribute table seeder. So we will create this file, products attributes table seeder. Okay, so we are going to open this one, products attribute table seeder, products attribute table seeder, and in this one see, we are going to add here the model, use app models, and model is our products attribute. Okay, products attribute. Okay, so we are required to create the model, we have not created the model yet. Okay, so this model we are required to create a products attribute model, and let's create that model as well. php artisan make model products attribute. Okay, so this is the model that we have created now, and here we are going to add the query to insert the dummy attributes. Okay, so here I will write something like product attributes records. Okay, here I am going to in this one, and here also add it like this. So I'm going to add ID 1 and product ID. We are going to check that is the product ID of red casual t-shirt. We are going to add under red casual t-shirt, so product ID is 2. We can also add image for this red casual t-shirt, okay, so that it will look good. So we can add this image, okay, so like this. Okay, so now product ID of this one is the 2, that is correct. Okay, so after that we will first add the, like I have told you, that size is small, medium and large sizes of the attributes we are going to add. So small size we are going to add like small, and its price, maybe its price we are going to add its price as like 1000 or anything. See what we have added here as the main price, see 1000. So we are going to add small as the 1000, as we are always going to show the less price to the user, means the attributes of smaller size that always have the minimum price. Okay, so we are going to show the minimum price to the user, so I'm going to add the 1000 for the small size. Okay, and stock, we can add any stock, like the stock is having 10 stock, the shopkeeper is having. Then SKU, is we are going to add something like here, like RCG01. okay, SKU is always similar to the product code, along with that, like RCG01, C -S, that will specify the size. Okay, SKU itself specify the which size the customer is going for. Okay, so after that the status we will keep as 1 to make it active, like this. So this one we will add twice, and here ID will be 2, and here ID will be 3, and here product ID will be 2, that is fine, and here size will be medium, and here size will be large, and here price will be maybe 1100 for medium and 1200 for large, and stock maybe 15 stock for this one and 20 stock for large. And now see small and medium as well as large we are going to add. Okay, so now see that is done, and here we are going to add products, attribute insert. Okay, so here dollar okay, so here now we are going to run the command, but before that we need to add in database seeder. Here we are going to add it, so this one we can disable, and we are going to add this one, products attribute table seeder. Here products attribute table seeder. Now finally we will run the php artisan db command, php artisan db seed, so that we will able to create the insert the attributes records. And here you can see we able to create the records, we able to insert the records, insert the attributes successfully for our product, that is the small, medium and large, and all the entries are coming fine: product ID, size, price, stock, SKU, status. Okay, created at and updated at dates will come whenever we will add from the admin panel. Okay, so later on we are going to add from the admin panel as well, but right now we have just added to show these attributes in the admin panel. But from next video we are going to add the form. Here we are going to add here here we are going to show plus sign for adding the attributes in between of this one, and after clicking on that plus sign we are going to add the page in which we are going to show the form of adding the new attributes. Okay, we will take the help of some jQuery plugin that will create the multiple boxes, like add remove boxes, that I will explain you in next video, and we will also show the attributes in that page itself. Okay, so stay tuned for next video. That's all for now. Have a nice time.